Hello there, thanks for tuning into my channel. Abaton Sherwin here. In this video, I would love to show you how to calculate formulas across multiple worksheets in your Excel worksheet actually. But before we get started, if this is the first time in my channel, let's be Microsoft Excel Pro with straight to the point tutorials. Consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell to know when I drop new content every Wednesdays and Sundays. And trust me, I always try my best possible to drop new content just for you. So let's jump to Microsoft Excel and learn how to calculate formulas across multiple worksheets. Thank you. Let's get started. Hi there, welcome back from the short break. So here I am in Microsoft Excel. I have a very simple worksheet. It's a sales of perfumes for this company, Pure Perfumes, for the north, south, west and east region of the country. So let's assume my boss came to me and asked me to give a summary of all the states, of all the sales within the region. So here's what I will do. I would love to I'll duplicate this worksheet. So to do that, I'll just use the control shortcut, or let me show you another way to do that but after this one actually. So I'll let go of the mouse first, then boom, I'll just duplicate that worksheet. But another way to do that is I click on the worksheet and say move or copy, but I prefer using the control shortcut. So I have a duplicate here, so I'll just name this duplicate summary. Yep, so we'll call this sales summary of sales summary. Yeah, so here's what I want to do. Also, I will just have to delete this here, just this cells here. You see, I didn't select the total and the total for the column and the total for the row. I'll just delete that. Yeah, so I have a blank worksheet to work with. So I want to add the sales for north, south, east and west, all in this worksheet. So I'm going to show you two different ways to do that actually. So the first way is the manual method. It's a little bit slow and not that fast, and I'll show you the fast efficient method. So to do that, I'll come to this first cell here, this cell here. So I want to add the sales for what? This perfume here in poison here for January, in the north, for January, in the south, for January, in the east, from January in the west. So we are calculating across multiple worksheets. So I'll just start with the equal sign. When I start with the equal sign, I'll come to the north, I select this. Don't worry, we are using the manual method first. Then I'll add an equals, a plus sign again. I'll come to the south, I'll select this is the south, another plus sign. I'll come to the east, I select this, another plus sign, and I'll come to the west and I'll select this. Just control enter, boom. You see, so I could just use this autofill to fill this down. I think you know how to use the autofill right now. You see it's filled down, then it fills to the right. You see, it's kind of fast also, you agree with me, but it's still slow to me. So that's the first method to calculate a formula across multiple worksheets. So you can check it out to see. But we have the north, south, east, west, C5. But I want to show you a fast, efficient method to do that. Let me just delete this one more time. So boom, you see. So this time I want to use the sum function. Remember how to use the sum function. I'll start with an equal sign, sum. Yeah, so when we have the sum, so I'll come to the north. This time around, hold down the shift key on your keyboard. You know, I have the north selected. Don't select any cell yet. Then come to the west, the shift key down, boom. I've selected the whole worksheet at once. Then what we do is just come to this cell, select that and control enter. Wow, you can see that it's super fast, super easy. I just drag this down also, then I drag this to the right. Wow, see, super fast, super easy. So this is how to calculate formulas across a worksheet. It may not be the sum function. This is just the introduction. In other videos, I'll come up with add formulas, combination of different formulas that you can use to calculate across your worksheet. So I believe this tutorial was helpful. you deserve. I'm sure you will go with the second method, which is super fast, super easy. I know you agree with me on that. Let me hear your thoughts. Which method will you use? Is it the first manual method or the second method using the sum function? Anyway, is guess what you want to get done super fast and super easy. So if this tutorial was helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't let me know how you feel about this video. Don't forget to let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section, and please do subscribe to my channel, because I'll be dropping new content every Wednesdays and Sundays, and trust me, I always do my best possible to drop new content just for you. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for staying to the end. Bye bye. See you in the next video, which is on Wednesday. Do have a great, lovely day. Bye bye.